personal goal I have is earn to give, effective altruism, which means what you earn and how much you can give back through the same. The past 5 years, I've been helping two villages, and they have just been towards sustenance, right? Towards provisions, and and this is for a weaver community.
If there's a personal goal that you want to achieve?
Mhm. I'm very glad you asked me this question, and I hope this resonates with a whole host of people. I do have a personal goal. It's like a earnest mission at this point of time. I have been blessed and fortunate to have created a life for myself where I have everything I need. Right? There's something called I have enough, or you are enough, right? Something like that. I've reached that stage, but I still have like a good, I think, a decade of creating impact in the world with the work that I do. And the personal goal I have is earn to give. Um, earn hyphen to hyphen give. So earn to give is all about effective altruism, which means what you earn and how much you can give back through the same, right? So I started small. It's not that, and thankfully, yeah, I can give well with the current employment that I have. But I think I give towards two or three things. Earlier, in the past 5 years, I've been helping two villages, and they have just been towards sustenance, right? Towards provisions, and and this is for a weaver community that kind of leans on a group that I work with. And I kind of was leaning only towards checkbook charity. How much of per month can I give? And that's how we sustained and modernized villages. But recently, what happened is I happened to visit one of the villages after many years of this checkbook charity. And that is when I saw it was a very small, it's a one street village, like they show to you in the movies, right? And India is formed of a majority of such villages, right? Literally, there's a church at the beginning of the street and a temple at the end of the street, and there's just a couple of houses in between. And there's one small building called school. And I went to visit the school actually, and I had such a impactful personal experience, because there were literally the walls were peeling off with paint. And this is of course a government primary slash secondary slash high school. And it didn't have anything. It had the certain classes, the children were sitting on the floor. They don't have fundamental things like shoes to come to school with. And they walk 4 or 5 miles to reach that school. And they come to school. They are literally struggling to have a full empty notebook to write, a full long pencil to write with, or a pen that is new or has enough ink. So very small things that I noticed, and it shook me to the core. And they come for the midday meal. So hunger is a very big thing in our country. And that's when I started to scour various avenues in terms of what will solve hunger. And I look for causes that feed people who come for healthcare into cities. It's a very big affordable healthcare is an important word for Indians. A lot of rural population come to the city for treatment of disease that is unmanageable at a rural level, cancer or AIDS or whatever, right? And they come, they're so poor that they can neither afford that healthcare for the person nor afford to sustain themselves in a city. So there are groups which feed them, right? And I contribute heavily to this cause. How do I help resolve hunger in whatever measure I can? So I have set dates in the month. Payday is one. Then I'll have some special days like Ekadashi, where I will definitely see that today is hunger day for me. So I'll just go and then give. And then I have, at the end of the year, I have said I'm going to definitely give about 35% of what I make towards various causes, and that's a very earnest and measured scorecard I have. And I urge everyone who is in an industry that pays them well to think of people, the have-nots, to think of people in winter who probably don't have shelter, don't have food to keep them warm, who are facing all the natural calamities, cyclones and floods and all of this, right? While you're browsing on your devices, pay attention. Give well is a big motto, and it's important to give well. I think it's a huge global responsibility.